All right, let's be honest. Picking a Disney resort can feel impossible. And Port Orleans, Disney really throws a curveball with this one. It's two resorts, one location, completely different vibes, and you're planning your trip right now. You're probably wondering which one actually fits my family.
Exactly. Do you want the cozy romantic charm of French Quarter or the big sprawling adventure filled Riverside? Most guests get stuck choosing between them, and that can totally affect your vacation.
I'm Lee
And Lee,
with All About the Duck, and today we're solving that problem. We're giving you the ultimate side by side tour of boat resorts so you could finally stop second guessing and confidently pick the perfect home base for your next Disney World trip.
rooms, pools, food, transportation, hidden perks, everything you need to make the right choice. We're starting right here in the heart of New Orleans, Port Orleans, French Quarter. Let's go. From the moment you walk in, French Quarter hits you with that New Orleans charm. Wrought iron balconies, gas lamps, cobblestone paths. It feels intimate and romantic. And honestly, its biggest advantage is its size. You can walk anywhere in just a couple minutes. Lobby, pool, rooms, bus stop. It's all right there. The lobby sets the tone, airy, colorful, and full of that Mardi Gras personality. Right beside it, you've got Jackson Square gifts and desires for souvenirs. And of course, the real star of French Quarter, the Mickey Beignets. Scat Cat's Cafe is where the magic happens. Warm, fluffy covered in powdered sugar. They're legendary. And if you want to take it up a notch, Scat Cat's Lounge next door even has boozy beignets for the adults. The quick service spot, Floatworks, pulls off the Mardi Gras float warehouse theme perfectly. Great gumbo, jambalaya, and all the classics if you want something familiar. And in the evenings, Scat Cat's Lounge often has live jazz, super relaxing after a park day.
Now, French Quarter keeps things simple but memorable. Doubloon Lagoon, the main pool, is a blast. Kids love the sea serpent slide. Adult loves the Mardi Gras grogs, pool bar, and everything is close together. And the biggest convenience of them all, one bus stop. No loops, no long internal route, just one hop on and go. And here's the shared secret weapon of Port Orleans resorts, the Sassagoula River. We're hopping on a boat right now that takes us straight to Riverside and also goes to Disney Springs. It's peaceful, scenic, and honestly one of the best transportation perks at a moderate resort. All right, we arrived at Riverside. Let's explore the other side of the bayou. Riverside feels completely different the second you step off the boat. Where French Quarter is cozy and compact, Riverside is huge and grand. Over 2,000 rooms, stunning river views, and an atmosphere that feels like your full southern getaway. The lobby looks like an old steamship warehouse, bright, big, and beautiful. And the resort is split into two themed sections: Alligator Bayou with rustic charm and woodsy vibes, and Magnolia Bend with the elegant mansion style buildings. The rooms here offer way more variety. Alligator Bayou rooms can sleep five thanks to that extra Murphy bed, perfect for larger families. Magnolia Bend rooms are more refined, but the crown jewels are the royal guest rooms. They're themed for Princess Tiana and other Disney royalty, complete with fiber optic fireworks in the headboards. It's pure Disney magic and a favorite for kids.
Now let's talk dining because Riverside really shines here. French Quarter may have the beignets, but Riverside has Boatwright's Dining Hall, a full table service restaurant, something French Quarter doesn't offer. Great southern dishes and a cozy shipyard theme. For quick service, Riverside's meal is massive and has tons of varieties all centered around the giant working water wheel. And if you want entertainment, River Roost is the place. This is where the legendary Yeehaw Bob Jackson performs one of the most energetic, family friendly shows on property. Riverside also wins in the recreation department. 6 pools total, including the huge Old Man Island with its water slide and fishing area, plus bike rentals, walking paths, and even horse-drawn carriage rides at night. The trade-off, Riverside is big, really big, which means 4 bus stops and long travel times.
All right, let's break this down side by side so you can see exactly which resort fits your style. The vibe: French Quarter, small, romantic, and peaceful. Riverside, grand, sprawling, full of places to explore. The rooms: French Quarter is consistent, recently updated. Riverside, you have more options, including rooms for five and the magical the royal rooms. Dining: French Quarter has Beignets and Scat Cat's Lounge. Riverside, you have more options. You have Boatwright's table service, and you have the entertainment of Yeehaw Bob Jackson. On the pools: French Quarter, one fun theme pool with a great slide. Riverside, you have 6 pools and a full inland water park vibe. Transportation: French Quarter, 1 bus stop, huge win for convenience. Riverside, 4 bus stops, more walking, and longer routes. So here's the solution. If you want simplicity, romance, and convenience, French Quarter is your winner. If you want variety, activities, and extra special room options, Riverside is your resort. And the best part, no matter which one you choose, you get boat, you get access to boat, pools, dining, entertainment. It's all shared. You can boat or you could walk between them anytime you like. So now the big question, which one are you choosing?
Drop it in the comments. French Quarter or Riverside? And tell us why. And if this tour helped you plan your trip, make sure to hit that like button.
And subscribe for more deep Disney resort tours coming your way. Thanks for joining us. And as always, see
See
you
you real
real soon.
soon.